Have you ever wondered how to take decisions that satisfies everyone? Today, I want to share you guys my experience having a co-founder and therefore having to work in a team where we have the same level of responsibility and the same level of decision. To manage your own idea and your own business with another person makes you try to find the easiest way to work together and the most efficient way of dialoguing and communicating. As this is a very complex topic, today I will be only focusing on one of the main aspects of a team, the decision-making process. So as you might know, me and Victor, we are currently working on a project that has many corners, many details, and right now we are working on the design of the platform, which involves a lot of decision-making process. Hopefully, if you are with your co-founder or with a teammate, you already have some good mood between you guys, but even in the most difficult person, these 3 tips I'm gonna give you now are gonna be very useful for decision-making. First, you need to realize that your ideas are not the best on the team, neither are the greatest. Everyone always thinks that their ideas are the best, especially if they spend a lot of time and a lot of effort on them. So it's a fundamental part when someone tells you that your idea is not that great, or it should be improved, your idea, or their idea is better. You have to be able to accept that and take the most out of that constructive critique. You shouldn't get sad or angry with yourself. You shouldn't think that you're less than them or they are less than you. The most important part is that you try to understand why they say that and try to make them tell you which part they didn't like, why they didn't like it. It's very important to create small chunks of opinion about your idea so that later you can pick the good parts and remove the bad parts or ask for another opinion in the bad parts if you think that they're not that alright. Most of the cases, they don't like your idea just because of some special aspects of it, or probably like some points of your idea that leads actually to our next point. Point 2. As some good parts of your idea could be saved and could be rescued, some other parts of your teammates' ideas can be also good or bad. Even the worst ideas normally have some good things that you can take out of the main idea and explore them better. And again, especially if your teammates spend a lot of time on that idea, you shouldn't tell them just that you didn't like it or even that you like it, because that's basically saying nothing to them. When giving your opinion, you should explain which parts you like it and which others you didn't like that much. So instead of saying, no, I didn't like this idea, you can say them, I liked these points of this idea, but these other points, I didn't like them that much. The best part of this working mechanism leads us to our third point. 3. If you take the best parts of your idea and the best parts of your teammate's idea by doing point 1 and point 2, you can basically try to arrange a solution taking both sides. This outcome comes naturally if you communicate in the way I explained before. Mixing the best of 2 different backgrounds will give a better result than only having an outcome from only one person. By creating the final result that is a mix between work of all the teammates, everyone will feel that the final idea is part of them and therefore they will spend as much work as they would spend if it would be their only result. It also creates a better bond between the teammates and a better mood that leads to a better final implementation of the idea. So to sum up, guys, these are essential things to know if you're gonna have a co-founder or even if you're gonna work in a team. It's basically emotional intelligence, something that is not taught in the school, but it should. And despite it seems straightforward, it's not that much, as most people don't know about these small things when treating with other people, when communicating, when working together. These 3 points can, as everything, be trained by trying to be a bit more conscious when working with teams. As I said, this can be used for your family, teammates, co-founders, and this will improve a lot your personal relationship in a way where you use more rationality. And these 3 tips coexist with the idea that people is actually more important than the actual idea, and decision-making process takes an important role there. About this, Victor made a video last week here. You should go and check it out, it's very interesting. Guys, I just finished editing this video. I hope you like it. And next Saturday
we have another video, so remember to check the channel. And what else? Click the notification bell, really important. And that's it.
Yeah, subscribe if you like this kind of videos, and see you on Saturday.